Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's Radio. Saturday night. Had Daniel here, mate of mine, and we've been cleaning up. Kicked ass, got a bunch of shit done. So we had engines everywhere here, and now we have a big pile of engines outside as scrap, and I have two 2.8s I'm pulling apart. This one wasn't going to come apart, and it just happened. So that's fine. This 2.8's a 52, is a Z3 block. This is going to go in the corner along with that 54 block. All right. So I'll keep this one, I'll keep that one, and I'll probably keep this 52 TU block, which is a 54 block. Then I've got 54, 52, 54 to pull apart, and gearboxes, and they all go out into scrap. Right. Need to get onto this week, get that done in the next 2 or 3 weeks running. This has to be rolling by the end of next week. So we have literally 6 days to have this rolling and all suspension back in, wheels back on, brakes all sorted. So that's easy enough. I'll get start on that Monday. All right. So yeah, I've got a bit of shit to do here. Move some stuff out the way. All this shit that isn't done is going to go over this way. Yeah, so tonight, fire's going. I'll pull the crank out of this. I'll prep this, put all the caps back on, put it back in the corner. And what I'm doing is I'm keeping rear main seal and caps all with the engines. And then pull the crank out. That's a nice 2.8 crank. Pistons, rods will come out. They'll go on the bench. Same as that one. Same deal. Pull that apart. Now, fun fact, Vanos, single Vanos has less valve relief than dual Vanos, and check this out. You want to see something cool? I have worked out that, look at this. Oh, where are we? Let's bring it down here. Right. These are m54 B25 pistons, and this is another reason to pull these engines apart. Right. That's nearly a millimetre lower than the B30 piston. So I could probably shave this a tad and cut some valve reliefs and run this in an E30, E28, whatever, M20 block with a 3-litre stroker kit. So I might actually do that. All right. And if I can get the 88mm crank, the diesel crank, with the snout on it that I need, I'll run the diesel crank and these pistons, which would be 88 with a 135mm rod, and they would sit level with the block. And then you could have 2.9 litre flat top M20s. But you can use these with a long rod, with a 2.8 crank. There's all sorts of ways. So see the difference? The dual Vanos has 2 deep valve reliefs. B30 has very shallow. Yeah. And that's because this will take bigger cams higher towards the deck, which is what you want for a high comp engine. And that 2.5 litre piston comes on a 145mm rod. Bit more info. And I've got cams here. Haha. Cams over here somewhere. Here we go. Cams, diffs, Brady, diff, pistons, cams, and I've got to start. This week I've got a bunch of shit to do. Always got shit to do, but got a car to load for scrap. I have a bunch of little stuff to do, but yeah, I've got to cut some cams. So cut an M54 cam to suit an M52, cut a not NV M50 cam to suit exhaust cam M52 as well. Get them off because they've got to be shipped off. Ship a bunch of other shit off, and then probably by the end of the week I should be all ready to have the bower from there. It should be sitting under there for a couple of days or a week, and I can move it around. And then I've got a car to come on this hoist, and Daniel's going to give me a bit more hand during the week, and we're going to do a diff on his gearbox on his car as well. So we've got lots and lots on the go, and me and Puppy are just relaxing in front of the fire because that's what we do whilst we get a bit of work done. So yeah, always something going on, but getting the shit tidied up is the main important part, and it's going to be a really big scrap really big scrap load. So we'll see where that ends up. Nice. Get rid of some twin cam shit.